There is no limit. Right, ladies and gentlemen, folks and fellows and my friends. Today we are going to discuss promotions. People, they ask me about promotions. Alex, give me a promotion because I want to join. Promotion, I need a fucking promotion. You need a promotion, all right. We have wonderful promotions. The prices of the plans are under promotions. Minimum prices, all right? Period. For members, you have 15% discount. Minimum price, okay? Gold membership, you pay $1,500. You have automatically 15%. Lifetime pricing, guaranteed fixed. Therefore, if you want 20%, you have the platinum membership. Plus other benefits, okay? So, platinum membership, 20%. Gold membership gives you 15%. Minimum price, there are no more discounts. This is the minimum price. Do not send emails to the company asking for more discounts because we do not. These are the minimum, very minimum. Low. My friends, yesterday, just an example, today the same. I have people making millions in Snapchat, okay? I'm looking at Snapchat, $11.36 as I speak. Look, as I speak. Yesterday it was Rocco. Every single day, the opportunities are endless. I'm seeing other one, Neo, right there, $6. My friend, oh shit. Okay, well, give me a discount. What fucking discount do you want? You pay this in minutes, okay? In minutes. I have users paying this in minutes. So I was going to refer to, you were asking about the promotions. All right. So the promotion that you install the app, and by installing the app, you have access to the promotion. So you have a wonderful bundle called AI Assisted Trading, and you have all the components there. So you have the course on live technique analysis that last year they paid for it. It is free. Free, completely free. There is no, how to say in English, there is an expression in English, what is the catch, right? What is the catch? There is no fucking catch, my friend. In my country, look at my eyes. I don't need to use catch. What is the catch? That is for the fucking crocs Americans, my friend. That they sell bullshit, is only, losing money, gambling the markets, you are going bankrupt, they upgrade Rocco at the top, they downgrade at the bottom. No, my friends. Transparency, proven track record, 30 years. There are no fucking people here or institutions complaining about us. You don't see anything of it, right? So, it's not a fucking American croc. It's the opposite, all right? So the promotions are there, available. That is the promotion, the minimum prices, okay? You want to take it seriously. Take it seriously. You don't want to take it seriously. Don't come here because we don't want you. That is very important. So I'm not saying this for you to subscribe. It's the other way around. Because if you are coming just, blah, 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 no. Or you take this very seriously because this is all about making money. This is not a potato business like the fucking Americans, Warren Buffett invested in the arts. It's going to be a dream. And, you invested in a scam. And in Heinz. That was the other fucking stupid Carl Icahn that he invested in Hertz, and then he has been invested in Hertz for 2 years. He does not make any fucking money. Imagine the stupidity of this, and then they have. Well, I'm not going to continue, my friends, because it's fucking. All right. So, are we clear? Thank you.